MusoLink AI is a brand new software that's quickly making waves, and in this review, I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're new to the AI game or already a pro, this software could be a game changer for you. Stick around till the end, because there's something special about MusoLink AI that sets it apart from all the other tools out there, and I'll also tell you how you can try it completely free. First off, MusoLink AI is designed to simplify and elevate your workflow with powerful automation and intuitive features. It's one of the best just-released AI software solutions I've seen in a while, and it does what many tools fail to do. It combines ease of use with real actionable results. One of the standout features of MusoLink AI is its ability to automate tedious tasks that typically slow down your progress. From managing projects to handling customer interactions, this tool can save you a ton of time while improving accuracy. If you're in digital marketing, MusoLink AI can even optimize your campaigns without requiring you to have deep technical knowledge. It's made to help you achieve more, faster. When you first start with MusoLink, you'll appreciate how user-friendly it is. The onboarding process is smooth, and you don't need to be a tech expert to get up and running. It's as simple as connecting your accounts and letting the AI work its magic. That means you're going to get a jumpstart without a steep learning curve, which is essential if you're busy running a business or handling clients. Another feature you'll love is MusoLink AI's ability to integrate with a variety of platforms, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. It's compatible with major software used in marketing, CRM, and analytics. This means if you're already using tools like HubSpot, Google Analytics, or Shopify, MusoLink can seamlessly integrate into your workflow without disrupting your existing systems. But let's talk about the AI behind the tool. MusoLink uses sophisticated algorithms that learn and adapt to your business needs. It doesn't just follow preset commands. It improves over time, offering more targeted recommendations. This dynamic learning feature sets it apart from more static tools, and it's something you'll notice as you use it regularly. The longer you use MusoLink AI, the smarter it gets, optimizing your campaigns, customer engagement, and content strategy. Now, one of the most impressive things about MusoLink AI is its scalability. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, this software has the flexibility to grow with you. You won't outgrow it anytime soon, and it won't be long before you realize just how much more efficient your operations are. Plus, the software includes built-in reporting features, so you can track performance and adjust your strategies accordingly. As for the pricing, MusoLink offers a free trial, so you can dive in without any commitment. This allows you to test the features firsthand, see if it fits your needs, and experience its value without any risk. It's a great way to get a feel for the software before making any financial decisions. Finally, after testing thousands of AI software solutions, I found that MusoLink stands out for its combination of power and ease of use. It's not just another generic tool. It's built with marketers, content creators, and businesses in mind, offering solutions that are both practical and effective. If you're ready to try MusoLink AI, click the link in the description below to get started with a free trial. I've also left links to my recommended AI software that I've personally tried and tested. So if you're looking for more tools to elevate your business, you'll find them there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.